Hi, what's up?
Is your room clean?
Very much for the video. Come. So that's the door from where we walked in, and the reason I've covered the bed part first is because I believe that bed is not just a furniture. It's about the witness of your late night thoughts, your early morning dreams, and the silent comfort you will find when this world feels too loud. And for the second reason, evidently, this is the most beautiful part of my room. So, yeah, shock lagega, but you have to deal with it. You'll be given a bunk bed with 2 mattresses, and you need to get bed sheets for yourself, pillows, pillow covers, blankets. And also, I keep a small extension over here because sometimes you don't feel like sitting on the desk, so you just get your laptop, sit here, charge your phone. So, although there are 2 switches, यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं, one for the upper bed and one for the lower bed, but still, you will need extension because mismanagement. So yeah, get your extension. I keep 2, one on my table which I'll show you and one on the bed. So this was about bed and extensions. So talking about my posters which are part of my room decor, all of these posters I put when I was sleeping on the upper bunk bed, and I got these from home itself. I got them personalized, so you won't find them online. But when I switched to the lower bunk bed, I got all of these stickers from Amazon. I think ये 52 stickers का pack था, but I managed to stick them all. So let me know in the comment section if you need them. Now as the bed part is covered, let's move toward the desk. Ow!
It was at this moment that she knew.
Here you will get 2 tables, 2 chairs. Along with that, you will have 2 cabinets. This one's my roommate's and this one's mine. I'll just show you. You can put in a lot of stuff here. So I'll open mine. Don't! I know it's crowded, but essentials are supposed to be in here. I've kept my daily routine, skincare and all of that. The upper part is for books and copies and extra pens, stationery. That box consists of stationery items. So yeah, this is filled, and I have a small photo of my favorite god. So yeah. Now behind this door is a place where you start your day. This is our great washroom where you'll be given one mirror, chota sa hi hai, and then one small rack which is just below the mirror. Those 2 racks are put by me because I wanted to keep a lot of stuff there. And yeah, that was about the washroom. This is what you'll get from a mirror. That too is divided into 2 parts, so only the half part is yours. So be very selective. जब भी तुम कपड़े packing करो, think of this almirah. I cannot open it and tell you because everything will fall off. I didn't clean the inside, okay? It has to land jokes apart. You can still keep a lot of clothes in your suitcase. I have one big size suitcase and one small, and I also have a backpack but it's unfilled, but never mind. So yeah, the other essential, have a laundry bag. This is my roommate, but we share. Other than that, that box is my khane ka pitara, where I keep all of my eatables like Maggi, pasta, oats, chips, kurkure, and whatever you want to keep it. Because trust me, when you'll be hungry, you need snacking, you'll have to run out of college, which is a little far, and you'll be very lazy to walk out. So I suggest you go and keep a big box and fit all your eatables. And this is the beautiful view from my room. Just look at it.
And that's a wrap of my corner. Within these walls, I've built more than routines. I've rebuilt parts of myself.